Hi there, welcome back to Riddle. Our next block is a single select block. This was our last one, and a single select block is where you have a question and then your audience can only select one answer. So you can see I can change my mind if I want, depending on the settings, but I can only choose one answer. So let's set this up in our riddle. Go into the creator, click on add a block, and this time select single select. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste the question into the title field. Oh, it's copied over the formatting. I want it to be a heading, so change it to H1. Okay, and then I'm going to put my options under answer content. Every time you want a new one, click on add an answer. And okay, actually I don't want that fourth one. At least I don't want it to be a specific word that I give my audience. I want it to be, as I created here, so it says other, meaning that they can then input their own answer if one of the given answers doesn't apply to them. So to do this, click on the answer. Click on the single select options symbol here. That will open this panel on the right hand side, and scroll down and enable other answer option. Now you will see this other answer option appear under answer content, and you can also edit that default text of other to anything you like. For example, write your own resolution here, for example, and then look at the preview, and now you can see I can select one of these answer options, or I can click here and write in my own resolution, whatever that may be. So that's a really nice option in a poll, single select question, for you to really get personal input from your audience, as well as allowing them to, or instead of allowing them to only, or limiting them to the options that you give them. It makes things a lot more customizable from their perspective as well, and more in tune to what they're feeling, rather than you only giving them certain options. So I'm just going to change the text to keep it with other. Okay, while we've got this options panel open, let's go through a few other things there. So required, yes, I want them to have to answer this question, so I'm going to keep that enabled. I don't have any answer media, so I'll leave all of that. I would like to shuffle the answers so they appear in a randomized order for each person and or each time someone takes this survey. We already talked about the other answer option, and yes, I'm happy with how the answers are displayed. I could change that to row just to show you how that would be. So that would then appear like this if you wanted it to be grouped, for example here with 2 and 2. So that's an option there. I could also disable the multiple rows, and then it would appear in one row like this, which might be a nice option if you've got short words or just images. But since I've got quite long phrases here, it doesn't quite suit what I want. I would like that vertical list. So I'm going to change the layout back to stack, and let's now add an image to this. So click on add image. I'm choosing your media. I need to go into the folder I prepared, and then select this resolutions image. Okay, click on preview, and looking good. That's how I would want it. Great. I'll see you in the next clip for another sort of poll block. In the meantime, have fun playing around with that single select question.